17 and I believe I got all the love I'll ever need, 'cause nothing hurts yet. And I still see the stars even at night it isn't dark. No empty hole inside my heart, 'cause I haven't learned yet what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love him despite the fall. It's devastating and it's beautiful. I'm 23 and I have seen the saddest kind of misery, but I haven't lost yet. All my youthful hope, I've been the victim, been the crime, but I know that goodness is alive, even though I know what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love him despite the fall. It's devastating and it's beautiful. And even when I'm nearly gone, I hope that I'm still singing songs of loss and love, 'cause I'd be right and I know what it's like to be torn apart, laying on the ground wondering who you are, staring at the worn pieces of your heart, daring you to love her despite the fall. It's devastating, it's beautiful. Hey! あなたに会うまでは二人の世界は lovely dream。 あなたに会うまではこれは何、これは何、あなたに会うまでは Is it love？ が勝手に Oh yeah, oh no, yeah. Is it love? Is it love? 心が勝手に Is it love? あなたのところに飛んでいくから捕まえて Don't let me go, no, no. Is it love? 心が勝手に Is it love? あなたのところに飛んでいくから捕まえて Don't let me go, no. が勝手に
はい、本日の食材は、豆腐 き肉、豚ひき肉、小ネギ、レモン、ナスと豚のこま肉ですね。それと中華ちまき、はい、以上が本日のメニュー材料ですね。ではね、早速作って。
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.